Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to add alt text to image in Wix. So first, you have to go ahead and log into your website. And then after that, you just have to click on this plus icon right here at the left side of your screen, the add elements, and then select the image. And then you'd be able to see the upload images. You just have to click on this one right here. Okay, so let's just wait and then click on the upload from computer. Now you just have to select that specific image and then just have to click on open. Now you just have to wait for a few seconds until the image is uploaded successfully. So now that you're here, you just have to select the image and then click on add to page. Okay, so now you can resize the image right here, and then when you click on it, you'll be able to see the settings icon. So just click on the settings, and then when you scroll down, you'd be able to see the what's in the image section. So you just have to click on it, and right here you'd be able to see the add alt text here. So here you just have to type out the explanation for this image. So when your audience click on the image, they'll be able to see here the alt text. Okay, so see for example, I want to type out right here recycled small pipe to balance the lump, and then just have to click on enter, and then just have to click on the X icon. So when your audience click on this image, they'd be able to see the alt text that you have added. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.